I'm going to unveil how you can generate over $120,000 in passive income from simple Instagram ventures. You're going to learn how to transform your Instagram hobby into a lucrative business that practically runs on autopilot. Today, I'm handing you the blueprint to replicate the success of many popular Instagram accounts. But first, let me share a glimpse of what's to come. 1. Find what kickstarts your passion. 2. Get the right tools for video editing and designing. 3. Crack the intricate Instagram algo. 4. Create popular posts with Canva and Chat GPT. 5. Edit your videos. 6. Upload your reels. 7. Learn how to stay consistent. And 8. Get monetized and make your account profitable. Now let's get into it. Kicking things off with step 1, you're going to need to find your passion to start an Instagram account around it. It's crucial to choose something you genuinely love because you'll be investing a ton of time creating content. Trust me, if you're not into it, you'll likely burn out fast. I've personally seen success in niches like travel, sports, health, and fitness, proving there's an audience for almost anything out there these days. Moving on to step 2, gear up with the right tools. You'll need a solid video editor for Reels and a user-friendly design studio for crafting posts. If you're a student, getting the Adobe Creative Cloud for less than $15 a month is a steal. It hooks you up with Premiere Pro, Photoshop, and Illustrator. But if you're on a tight budget, no worries. CapCut works wonders for video editing and it's popularly used for TikToks, IG Reels, YouTube Shorts, and more. Besides that, Canva is your go-to platform for whipping up eye-catching designs. If you check out other videos on this channel, you'll see that we love utilizing the power of Canva to make passive income. Now on to step 3. We've got to crack the Instagram algorithm. Here's the thing, you need to forget about chasing likes. The real magic lies in understanding what Instagram values most these days. It's all about watch time, saves, and shares. Yep, you heard me right. The longer people linger on your content, the more they save it. And the more they share it, the better. So focus on captivating your audience and sparking those actions. Here's something I stumbled upon researching. On Instagram, the average time someone hangs around a post is like a quick pit stop, lasting between 3 to 5 seconds. That's not long, right? Now when it comes to saves, it's about 5 saves for every 1,000 views. And the shares? Well, you're looking at roughly 2 shares for every 1,000 views. Sounds like small numbers, but hey, that's how the Insta game rolls. I'm sharing this info with you so you can use it to your advantage when crafting your content. Let's aim for maximum reach, right? Okay, let's get into creating some viral posts. But first, a quick heads up. Not many folks watching my videos hit that subscribe button. If you're vibing with this content and find it valuable, think about tossing a subscribe with notifications on. It's totally free and you can always unclick it later if you change your mind. That way, I can shoot you a heads up whenever I drop a fresh money-making strategy. On to the 4th step. I'll walk you through crafting straightforward posts using Canva and Chat GPT. Let's imagine your focus is on motivation. With Canva, you can whip up a post that grabs attention right off the bat. We call this initial slide the hook because it's bold and stops people in their tracks. Then, dive into Chat GPT to get some motivational quotes tailored to your niche. You can think of any niche and Chat GPT will have your back. Once you've got your quotes, jazz up your slides with colors and graphics to make them pop. These kinds of posts often go viral, so get ready to see some serious engagement. With the rise of TikTok, Instagram's been pushing Reels big time, creating a golden opportunity for creators like us to grow our audience in record time. Just check out these Reels under motivation going insanely viral. Most of them have thousands to millions of views with a bunch of likes and counting. Now let me walk you through how to whip up some straightforward viral videos like the ones we've seen. Again, we can turn to ChatGPT to dish out some simple motivational quotes. Remember, you'll want to take a quote that really grabs attention. Once you've got one you dig, it's time to create a voiceover. Sure, you can record yourself if you're feeling it, but there's also the option to use a text-to-speech AI. I recommend checking out 11 Labs. It's hands down the top-notch AI voice generator around. You can play with the pitch and stability to tweak it just how you like. Here's a glimpse of how our example sounds.
Been one of the most powerful ends that ever played football at New Haven.
Now, onto the fun part, animating it to give it some flair. We'll jazz it up with a background that fits the quote's vibe. But to avoid any copyright issues, we'll turn to some affordable AI art websites. You can check out Stable Diffusion online or Leonardo AI, whichever works best for you. If you're having a tough time thinking of a prompt to generate your art, feel free to consult ChatGPT again for an idea. You can add, "Think of an art that matches this quote," then copy the response and paste it here in Stable Diffusion. There's going to be a watermark if you stay on the free version, but that won't matter because you can always crop it out. Let's move on to step 5, editing our reel. After we've selected our preferred AI images, we can transfer them to our video editing tool. Today, I'll opt for CapCut since it offers a free version that's user-friendly. Simply import your images and synchronize them with non-copyrighted audio you can find. Make sure it's purely instrumental. Don't forget to add auto captions to grab attention right from the start. This approach represents just one of the effective styles for creating viral content. Now that your content is ready, it's time to hit that share button. But before you do, let's run through a quick checklist to gauge how viral your content will be. Ask yourself, will people pause scrolling and check this post out for a few seconds? Do they want to share it with friends or post it on their story? Does it spark conversations and comments? Is it the kind of thing they'd save for later? And most importantly, does my content actually give them something useful? If you can confidently answer yes to all of these questions, then you've got yourself a potential viral post. Remember, this checklist is basically the secret sauce for Instagram growth. So make sure to keep it handy or bookmark this part of the video for future reference. But before the next step, if you're digging this video that I've poured my time and energy into, I'd appreciate it if you could smash that like button and hit subscribe with notifications on. Let's aim for 500 likes, and if we hit that goal, I'll drop another video soon to show you more cool ways to make money online from the comfort of your home. If this is the first video you've seen from us, go ahead and check out our other content to find other fortune tips suitable for you. Now let's dive into step 6, posting our reel. A general rule is to post once a day. You don't want to overwhelm your audience with too much content, but you also don't want to fade into obscurity. Posting excessively might tire out your audience, so it's better to prioritize quality over quantity. Moving on to step 7, repetition. If you find something that works, stick with it. Instagram offers insights like reach, showing you where your traffic is coming from, as well as the number of likes, shares, and saves you're getting. Those who really succeed on Instagram are the ones who study these insights and use them to shape their future content. Now on to step 8, making your account profitable. All the effort we've put in so far won't mean much if you don't figure out how to make some real money. And let me tell you, it's totally doable. Let's focus on advertisements. Companies are willing to shell out big bucks to reach people who are interested in their products online. So if you've got a niche audience, companies will be more than happy to pay top dollar to get their ads in front of them. Let's bring this into reality. Say your account is all about productivity, like the ones we've discussed. You've got a goldmine for advertising productivity tools or apps. Funny thing is, most of these companies aren't even aware that creators like you exist. So you've got to take the first step and reach out to them directly. Here's how. Head over to LinkedIn and look up social media under people. Add anyone you're interested in, shoot them a message, and start a conversation about setting up an advertising deal where you could potentially make thousands of dollars. Here's an example. Hey there, I manage Fortune Innovators on Instagram. We've got a solid following of over 50K folks who are really into productivity. I'm currently sorting out ad slots for the month and thought your business might be interested in getting some exposure. Let me know if you're interested. Thanks. You can follow this format or create your own. It's totally up to you as long as you get the gist. This message is straightforward and shows you're knowledgeable about what you're discussing. You can also include a media kit with your insights for them to review. Once they get back to you, you can start negotiating. The 9th final step in this blueprint is all up to you. Remember, Instagram success is more like a marathon than a sprint. While it's tempting to rush and create the ultimate 5 posts right away, I urge you to prioritize consistency. Aim to show up every day and share something that's a bit better than the last. Many people give up because they can't stay consistent, and you'll outlast the competition, which is a much more realistic goal. As exciting as it is to get monetized, building your page and creating content about a niche you love is vital to reaching that step. It's okay to start slow and steady. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button below. It's a small gesture, but it means the world to us and helps us keep bringing you more awesome content like this. And hey, while you're at it, why not hit subscribe too? That way, you'll be the first to know about all the latest tips, tricks, and opportunities to make money online. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Thanks for joining us on Fortune Innovators, where we make making money online an everyday reality. Until next time, happy earning!